It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so and of course, guys, if you have any question, please drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets I will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this had been on downtrend right from here. Okay, but we missed out from here. But when it had a pullback, I told us when it had a pullback, then we can jump in. So we jumped in right from here, and we milked all this, and we are still in profit. But for those of you who were unable to come in at this point, so many people came to my DM asking me if they can still jump into it, and they need a clear signal on what to do. So I had to drop the signal again this evening. Okay, so giving us entry point at this point, and of course stop loss at this point. Okay, so first TP has been achieved, second TP has been achieved, third TP has been achieved. Now heading towards the fourth TP. Okay, but if you had come in around here, first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, fifth TP, sixth TP, seventh TP will have been achieved. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is why this trading strategy is totally different. It is called trend trading strategy. And of course, all you need to do is just follow the strategy and get to the very end. It is as easy as that. Okay, so this is actually more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, then the second message is actually gain X 999, and of course this is also another amazing opportunity. We actually made this particular asset right from here, and we cleared all the TP. It has gotten to this support zone. We've been waiting for it to go into an uptrend fully. It tried to go for a while, but came back down again. And of course, guys, right here we are still looking at the support zone. Okay, so probably if it comes to the support zone, it will go fully into an uptrend, so we'll keep an eye on it. But for now, this is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Then the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, this is Phoenix 1200. This actually started an uptrend right from this support region when it switched into an uptrend, and it started buying but till it got to this region. And I'm really happy that we are able to do this together. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4, 5. It's just the 6 TP that it didn't achieve. So this is a big win for us. This is trying to switch into a downtrend right from here, and it's trying to sell more right from there. Let's go to H1 to see what is happening with H1 before we conclude. So I will always let you know what is happening before we conclude totally. Okay, so you can see on H1 it's more of downtrend right from here, and it's heading towards it. So that is why um this is selling at that point. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so we're going to check it out right now and see what is really happening. Okay, so we are back on 15-minute time frame. I'm trying to zoom it out. Okay, guys. Okay, so so this is selling at the moment. Okay, and of course if it comes back to this level and breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it's most likely for it to go up to target this particular region and achieve our TP. But for now, this is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999. Okay, this actually started. We actually made this particular set right from here to this very end. Right now, it's actually at a switch at this point. Okay, so I missed out from that, so I didn't drop any signal on that because it has gone far already. So this actually went down, and of course, it has been selling since then. And I'm going to take it down to H1 to see what is happening on H1 also. Okay, so all these are important. Okay, guys, I made mention of something. No wonder I wanted to go to H1. I made mention of something like this earlier today. I said I'm expecting it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, I'm expecting it to get to this region. So if it breaks out from here, guys, we have a lot to make from here, a lot of profit to make from here. But if it does not, it will go back up again. Okay, but I'm expecting it to still sell. Okay, so this is let me take it back to 15 to see what is happening on 15-minute time frame presently. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, and let's see. Let's hope that it's going to break out from those support regions so that we can have opportunity to sell more. Okay, I've been keeping an eye on it for a while. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. Let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel, and this is so amazing. I'm really happy that we were able to achieve this together. Entry point, and of course, entry point activated, stop loss. As in, I also have my stop loss around there, and of course, it activated my entry point, and it didn't go back to touch the stop loss. So that's a good one. So it's a good trade for us. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. Now heading towards TP5 and TP6. So hopefully, it's going to achieve it. So let's wait and see. Okay, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely you should know that it should be heading towards this. Okay, additional TP added to what we had on the Telegram channel. So guys, congratulations to you all. So I will be stopping right here, guys. This is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying. Before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp to know more about my trading tool. Okay, I will be stopping right there. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.